In this video, we'll look at sharing projects. Basically, I have one space here where all of my project building takes place. And so this could be projects that I'm creating or ones that I'm modifying or adapting from the existing projects in the Krispii library. So let me click up here and I'm going to go over to the projects that are in this space. And I have one project here that I've actually been adapting to meet the needs of my students. And it exists in the library, but it's going to be a new version that I think will help students that have particular needs. So I'm going to call this version 2 so I can distinguish that for my colleague. I'm going to go back and I'm going to click share, and I'm going to start to input her information and confirm. So if this person is already a team member, they should show up right away as being on your team. If not, you put in an email address and it'll still confirm and be sent off to them. So let me click confirm. I'm going to log out because I'm really just simulating this for you to see how it works. I'm going to go into that email and I will see that she now has a Krispii Team shared project. She clicks there and she can see that Belugas and Echolocation version 2 has been shared with her. So now she can go ahead, she's going to add the project. She will need to sign in on her side and it will ask her where does she want to put that. And right now she is just getting set up, so she doesn't organize her spaces that much. Confirm. And now that project is in her side. She can go ahead, open the project up, go into her project builder, version 2, and make decisions about anything that she wants to add in and change to that project. She may decide to send it back to me again with the changes she's made, and in that case, she might want to go in and make sure that she names it version 3. She can go back into that again and share that back to me. Or she doesn't need to and she just keeps it. She's happy with how it's been finished. She confirms and send it back. This is a great way to build projects with members of your team, and you can continuously share them back and forth until they're done. That's it.